everyone, welcome back to another video of Maths with Hera. In today's video, we are going to solve an Olympiad question. So let's go in and see how we are going to solve it. If you see the equation, this is y to the power 2 equals to 25, and we need to solve the equation. Whenever you get a solve to the equation question, remember we have talked about this earlier, that whenever you get this type of question, you got to find out the value of the variable. So that's how we are going to continue. First thing is that we see that there are two y values and the one y value is the exponent of the other one. So we are going to start with an assumption. Let's say we have y equals to 2. Right? So this means we are looking at this y to the power 2 first. Y to the power 2 would be equal to 2 to the power 2. And the square of 2 is 4. Now what we are going to do, we are going to substitute it back into the equation. So as you can see, it would become, since y was 2, so it would become 2 to the power 4, since we already found out that y squared is 4. It would become 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. Right? This is the first case. Now let's look at another one. Let's say our y value is 3. Like you assume y, we are taking just y as 2. We can also take it y as 3. So if y is 3, it would become y to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power 2, and that would become 9. So in this case, it would become 3 to the power 9, and it would be 19683. So as you can see that this number is a very, very big number, right? This should not be, this can never be equal to 25. 16 was a less smaller number, but 3 is a larger number. This means that we need to look at a number that would come in between these two numbers, right? So let's say we are going to look at, let's say y is 2.5. We take a number that is in between 2 and 3. So we took y equals to 2.5. So it would become y to the power 2 is equal to 2.5 to the power 2. Now let's try it with this value. When we take a square of 2.5, it's going to become 6.25. So when we look at 6.25, now our equation is going to become 2 to the power of 6.25. So if you can see, this is very close to 25. It would be 24.705. And you see this value is very, very close to 25. So we can say that the value of y is approximately 2.5. All right. And we can even test this value by plugging it back into the equation. And we can see that we found out the solution. Actually, this method is like a reverse solving the question. This is another method of solving it. Right? I hope you understood it. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.